Hey guys, we are at the How train station and we are going to ride a train. I am so excited. The kids are in school and we have sneaked out. It is just us. Today is Auntie Lynn's last full day.
Yeah. I'm gonna cry. I'm getting emotional.
She's getting emotional.
I miss you guys. I love
we know you'll be back soon.
Yes.
You'll be here soon,
Yes.
so don't worry.
I'm gonna hate to leave South Africa. Guys.
Yeah.
I just so love it here. I just so love it here. I am not ready to go home. I'm not, but this is not gonna be my last time.
Right.
Trust me.
Right. So we are making our way to the train and I'm excited for this ride. We've heard about the train and so we are checking it out. All right.
And I'm 5'6", so there's no way.
5'6".
Yeah, there's no way to be 5'9".
Well, with my heels.
Probably 5. But depending on
So this is very nice. It's almost looks like an airport, but it's very nice in here. Nice and clean. So we bought cards that we can reload money onto. So we will definitely come back and bring the kids. The kids are in school, taking exams.
Yeah.
And we are out and about. Yeah. And here we are. Oh, wow.
Do I need to keep my card out?
No, you don't have to. Only when we get to where we're going, and then you can take it out.
So we are going to take the train to, I don't know, where are we going? Rosebank or Melrose? Rosebank or Melrose is where we're going. And we are taking the red bus tour. So I have to say, I really like this. It's very, feels very much like an airport. Very much like an airport. And so you have seating area if you want to sit and wait. And we were able to use our cards to purchase cards, and those cards that we purchase, we put you put money onto it, and then when we get home, we will set it up with our profile information. Oh, what's that over there? Oh, those must be apartments over there. I think those are apartments over there. Even the parking lot feels like an airport. I'm loving this. I'm loving this. So we will definitely do this again. For sure, we will definitely do this again. But, yep, I'm excited about this train ride, you guys. I am excited.
Me too.
Yeah, you're excited too? Yes, so I'm definitely looking forward to bringing the kids back too.
Chase will kill us when he hears we're here.
Yes, he will.
Yes.
He will. He's gonna kill us.
He's gonna be highly upset.
Yes. So, but oh well.
Chase,
Always
Next time.
What they saying is better late than never.
Yeah.
Better late than never.
They'll get a chance.
Yeah.
And here comes our train. the train.
You're going to the airport.
I'm going to, well, actually I'm going to Roseville, but yeah.
Station. The next station is
Alrighty, we are on the train, you guys. We are on the train. It's so nice. It is very clean. Love it. Very nice.
Eating is not allowed.
Yeah, I saw the
Chewing gum.
sign out there.
Chewing gum is not allowed.
Yeah. Well, that's how they keep it clean.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice, nice. I can't believe we are on the train. This is just crazy. This is crazy. Wow. It's a very smooth ride. Very smooth. And it's fast. It's smooth and it's fast.
It goes 160. Up to 160 kilometers.
Up to 160. I have to calculate that. Oh,
Yes.
beautiful. Beautiful. This is a very nice ride. Temperature is comfortable. Very nice.
Johannesburg
sent it
Park
to this
Station. The next station is Sandton.
All right, we are at our destination. We are at Rosebank and making our way to where we're going.
We're going to Holiday Inn. We go that way. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. That was nice of her
So kind of her.
to direct us in the right direction.
Without asking.
We must have looked like we had no clue where we were going. So she was kind enough to ask us, where y'all going? You're going the wrong way. So I have to say, this does feel like an airport, you guys. It's set up like one, feels like one, smells like one. And again, it is very clean. It's clean. That's my card. Uh-oh. Okay.
And it complicates the trip because normally they want you to use
The same.
the same one that you logged in and
Yeah, I see. You're taking the stairs? You're so brave.
two different people.
She's so brave. I am taking the escalators. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. She is brave, you guys. She is brave. Those other stairs wore me out. I can't. I can't. Oh my goodness. And so here we are.
So we're gonna take a walk to Holiday Inn. We want to
Watch
go
this
there.
here. So
It's there. It's close by.
that's the mall right there. Is that the mall?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Wow, so it brings you right here. That's cool. So we are here at Rosebank Mall. Huh?
You want the kids need to learn how to get through.
Yeah, we'll figure it out. We will, because that was a very easy ride. Yeah,
You'll know.
yeah, that was a very easy ride.
Yeah.
Very easy. And it took us, what, 20 minutes?
Yeah, 20 minutes.
Yeah. Very easy ride. And so here is our favorite spot here, Rosebank.
Yes.
And here is the red bus, you guys. Here's the red bus. Here we are.
Hey, looking like real tourists.
Yeah. We do look like real tourists.
A real tourist.
City sightseeing Joburg.
It's yours if the price is right. All yours.
Okay, guys, we are on the red bus.
Like it's just us.
We have it to ourselves.
He said you can go upstairs.
Oh, we can go upstairs. Yes, we want to do that.
Yes, please. I'm gonna get the sun.
We definitely want to do that.
Yeah.
Let's see.
I'm liking this.
So far, we have it to ourselves. Oh, yeah. I don't think I want to be in the sun, but that would be
Yeah,
nice.
that's why I sat here.
Like I want to be out there, but I think the sun would be too much.
Yeah, the sun would be
That's not too
You
much.
don't want to be in the sun?
No. Not direct
You like to
heat.
be.
Not the direct
You like
sun.
to be warm.
Girl, you know black people don't like the sun. Look, you know, when we were kids, we used to say we going in the shade. We going in the cool shade.
Yeah.
We're not doing any fun.
Oh,
That's
yes.
what we're
This is
not
nice,
doing.
you guys.
Yeah, this is nice.
Yes.
Very nice.
This is nice. We are on the red bus. We are on the red bus. All right. So our first stop is, where's our first stop?
Melrose.
Melrose is our first stop.
Oh, I get it.
So we are on our tour.
Got no cheaper price than made them online.
We have taken off.
What size is it?
Polish door mechanism.
Where you going to now?
Going to Nelson Mandela's Foundation.
Ah, okay. So the next stop will be what time?
40 minutes.
40 minutes from now. I need to go to the same place.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
All right, we're getting off at Melrose Arch. So he said the next one is where?
40 minutes.
And it's
now
going where?
to Nelson Mandela.
Nelson Mandela. I thought that one's not open today.
No,
Or is that the? It
We're
is.
going there today. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I think
Okay.
the one that wasn't open today is the museum.
Yeah.
Might not be open.
So we are at Melrose Arch. This is another one of our favorite spots. The kids, they love it here. It is a beautiful place. Around the holidays, these lights are lit up at nighttime. It may be other times too, other than the holidays, but usually whenever we come out here, it's lit up. So, but it's beautiful at nighttime. It is absolutely beautiful. It is beautiful. Love these statues. Lynn.
Look at the art.
Yeah, isn't that beautiful? The frogs here.
Wow.
That is nice. That is nice. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? My gosh, look at this. If this frog moves, you guys, I'm out of here. I'm out. So they are prepared for the holidays.
Oh, so that restaurant I was telling you about is here.
Oh.
Where they just give you meat.
Oh, lots of meat.
A lot of meat. Doesn't matter how much you want to eat.
Yeah. These two are waiting on me. They're not having anything but their water. But I'm having Starbucks. So I'm having Glenda's pink potion. It looks good. We'll see if it is.
What with windows before.
Yeah. And here's my drink. It looks, they didn't spell my name right, but that's okay. It's the drink that counts.
No, which side of Rosebank we are?
What'd you say about this third world country?
I say, okay, third world country. Really?
It's a beautiful third world country, isn't it?
Hello.
Okay.
Exactly. This is not a third world country. I don't know why they lying on South Africa. Don't do that.
Don't do that.
Don't
huh?
do that.
This is it.
Yeah.
No. Rose,
You're here.
what is this? Rose?
Melrose Arch.
Melrose.
Yes, Melrose Arch. Yep, Melrose Arch in a third world country.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Jeez. It's crazy, isn't it?
I would
It's
say
crazy. Yeah, we are just kidding, you guys. We know. We know. We're here. We know the truth.
so. Hello.
We know the truth. So the ladies are wanting yogurt at Yogurt Land, home of Froyo. So we are done at Melrose Arch and we are on to the next stop. So we made a stop at the Nelson Mandela Foundation.
Couldn't even sit on a bench.
Whites only. This was in America.
Can't sit on a bench. It's
Yeah,
standing there.
this was in America. This whites only mess. This was in America as well. Yep, our history is very similar. Very similar. Yep. Horrible, horrible things. Horrible things. And so we have switched from the big red bus and we are on the red van. So they are waiting to have their pictures taken in front of the sign. And we will be on our way.
A lot of people came to Johannesburg to work on the mining industry. All those people, they had no place to stay. So housing like this, they were only made for miners and only for male miners. Women by that time, women and children, they were left in a village. So it was only men who used to live in a space like this, each anytime. But disadvantage, you are a receptionist. You are the first to wake up and you're the last one to sleep. On the left hand side, this is the biggest hospital in Africa, biggest hospital in the Southern Hemisphere. Third biggest hospital in the world. Crisani Baragwanath Academic Hospital, known as Baragwana Hospital. They have over 3,000 bedding, over 4,000 staff members. Johannesburg, 11 station.
And so here we are back in Rosebank. So we just got off of the bus, and we're going to take Auntie Lynn to Monte Casino so she can check them out. So we will call an Uber and head back out, hit the road again. So here we are, guys. We are at Monte Casino. And this is one of the places we absolutely love. It is just a beautiful place. It's very different, but we love this place. Love it. It's been quite a while since we've been here last. So we just heard about this restaurant, Nomad. We heard it's really good. We will have to try that one out. There's our favorite restaurant, Fire Room. You guys, that's the end of our tour inside of Monte Casino. It is a beautiful place. All right, so we are catching the bus back to the How train station, and we are going to Centurion Lifestyle after we pick up my car from the train station, and we will go get something to eat. So we are on the bus, and we have the whole bus to ourselves. We have the whole bus. So we're headed back to the train station to pick up my car. And then actually we have to catch the train again to get to the train station and then pick up the car. And then we will go get dinner. Say what?
She said it was a full day for us today.
Oh, it was a full day.
Like a fool today.
A full day today, you guys.
Oh, and she said a full day.
A full day.
I thought she said we were acting like a fool today. I said, yeah, we was acting like a fool today.
It was fun. We had fun. We had fun.
Yeah.
It was a very full day. And we haven't had anything to eat. So we are heading to
Back
the
to the
train,
train.
back to the train, and then dinner. All right. All right, you guys, we are back at the How train station. Going to pick up my car. And then, of course, I'm not driving. And we are going to, where are we going?
Centurion Mall.
Centurion Mall to
Dinner.
get dinner.
Yeah.
We are hungry.
Hungry. Look, we hangry.
Hangry at this point. Hangry. So you guys, here we are with Auntie Lynn. Today is her last day. And I thought I'd put her behind the wheel and let her get a feel for how it feels driving in South Africa. So
Roads are very narrow.
The roads are narrow.
To the state.
The roads are very narrow. So you guys have heard me mention that the roads in the area where we live, they're pretty narrow. I've gotten pretty used to this road that we're on here. It's not too narrow. The road that takes me to where the kids, to the kids' school, that road is too narrow. So, but she's doing good. She's doing really good.
Gotta keep telling myself, stay to the left.
Stay to the left. Exactly.
Going straight.
Yeah, you're gonna follow. You're gonna actually make a right turn at this light.
So I go on this side.
Yes.
So the arrow is pointing over.
Yes. No. Both will go. See the
both
arrow
of them.
here? Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
both
I see
lanes
both
will make a
turns.
right. Yes. Just remember, stay to the
Left.
Okay. So how does it feel?
It feels good.
It feels good?
I have to keep a conscious mind to stay to the left.
Yeah. And
Because
then
it keeps wanting to tell me to go to the right.
yeah. So
This way?
yes. Watch this curve. Oh my gosh.
Oh, these roads are so
They are.
freaking narrow.
Yes, they are. And then we're gonna merge over to the left.
Here?
Yes.
Anything coming? No.
No. and then we're gonna turn left. She's doing good, you guys. You just have to stay off this curb.
This is a
yes, go right here, right here, right here. And pedestrians have the right of way, so when you see that, they have the right of way here. Yeah. And just follow the road. Yeah, it almost feels like, because they're so narrow, you don't want to go too much to the right because it feels like you're gonna hit the oncoming. Yes, but then you're too far to the left and then you're hitting the curb like me. You're going good. Let's see how you whip this jammy in the parking spot.
Now that's
she
one
says
thing
parking
I could drive.
Yeah, but you say parking is fine for you.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't have any issues parking.
She doesn't have issues parking, you guys. I do.
And I'm in the States.
I need about. I need about 2 parking spots to be clear. About 2 to be clear on both sides of me, so that I can park this car. But yeah.
Do this.
You will
reverse.
Squeeze this, and then go up to reverse. You'll see it lit up. You have your foot on the brake?
Yeah. I got my foot on the brake.
Okay, you got that all the way in. You got your foot on the brake?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, you have it shifted over. There you go.
No.
Now up. Yeah. Watch this lady. Watch this lady.
Okay, why did he stop there? Seriously?
Who? Behind you?
Yeah. If that buggy wasn't there,
you'd be able to park?
No, I'm saying I'll be able to park. Cause I always do back. I always
back in. Yeah, that's not me.
Not always back.
Not me. I'll be taking a car or 2 with me.
Look at me. I'm thinking I'm in my Mercedes. That is crazy. Okay. Oh my.
Okay, hit like that. There you go. You're in drive.
Okay.
She thinks she's in her car, you guys, so she's reaching for shifting, and that's not there.
Exactly.
Hers are on the steering wheel. Mine are here.
Do I have enough space over here?
Yeah, you're good over here.
So I'm good?
Yeah. Okay. Are we in? Don't hit the tree. We're good?
Yep.
Okay, now you can put it in. You just hit the button, press the button, and it'll go and park.
Okay.
And park. All right. You're good. How'd it feel?
Good. These roads, I have to get used to these roads. Oh
yeah.
my God, they're so narrow.
They are narrow. Yeah. Some the highway is fine. The highway's fine, but like I said, out here, not necessarily midstream, but near like the area over there where Natasha lives. That area, those roads are very narrow. Very narrow. So, all right. That was Auntie Lynn driving.
Yes,
for the first time in South Africa. Today's her last day, you guys.
And I do not want to leave.
She has to leave in a few hours, I believe.
Yes.
So we are on our way to a friend's house. And then she wants to try to find a t-shirt that has South Africa on it. And then she's got to head to the airport.
I miss you guys.
All righty.
Thanks for that African love.
Oh, all right, you guys. All right, you ready? We're going to have to see Auntie off.
No.
No, what?
She has to stay longer.
She has to go to work. She has a job to go to.
The prisoners can handle themselves.
What?
They can handle themselves.
Who can handle themselves?
Prisoners.
Well, they're short there, which means they need more workers, more people to work there in the prison. So Auntie has to go so she can help out. Okay?
Okay.
All right, let's see her off.
I would love to stay one more day.
Me and Mommy can help you pay for staying again.
Chase wanted me to stay, but I told him I had to go back to work. And he said they can handle it. I told him I cannot handle being homeless. And he said, don't worry about it. You can stay with us. Mommy wouldn't mind. I'm like, no, you can't live anywhere for free. But I love you guys. I had a wonderful time. Thanks for the African connection.
Mm-hmm.
I love it. I love it. I love it. And I miss you. And I'm going to give you all one more dance. I love it. I love it. I will be back. I will be back. I will be back. I will be back. Love you all. And I will be back, like I said. Chase, I'm going to miss you. Oh, poor baby. He's crying. I'll be back. You're going to make me cry. You're going to make me cry. Oh,
She'll be back, Chase. You'll see her again.
he's so sweet.
Mm-hmm.
Donnie fell in love with me. He was just on
Uh-huh.
video call with him.
Yeah.
Oh, poor baby. I'm gonna miss you. I promise you I'll be back. Next time. Oh,
You want to get this one, Chase?
baby.
Yeah. That should be your Uber. So Uber is pulling up for Auntie Lynn, and she's off. Let me get Chelsea so she can say bye. Chelsea, Auntie Lynn's leaving. You want to come say bye?
Jesse, I'm gonna miss you guys. Oh, you know I'll be back. I'm trying to be back next year. I love y'all.
You gonna miss what? The movies?
I know,
Oh, the
right?
pie.
I
The
started
food.
something that they have a theater that they probably only used twice. We was using it every single night.
Yes.
That was my favorite part, being around my favorite people. Now, one more thing I gotta say. It's a blessing to have friends and family that love you.
Yes.
Because they say after 3 days, you'll know if they love you.
Yes.
And I was definitely treated like a guest should be treated.
Oh.
And I love him for it.
All right.
All right. Thank you.
All right. I'll see you. Give me a hug. Give me a hug.
Oh, yeah.
All right. I'll see you.
All right. Love you.
All right. Love you too. Let me know when you get there.
Okay.
All right.